Here is our silk chiffon gathered skirt. As you see, we have a waistband that's about 3/4 of an inch wide. This is pure silk chiffon. It's lined with a darker color, so when the model moves, the colors change slightly. And the lining is more of a nude color. For teaching purposes, I have sewn with contrasting thread, but I'll switch these out before the model wears it so that they look really professional. I want to show you the back. Instead of putting a zipper, I've put a little placket with snaps and hooks. This allows the back of the skirt to stay very soft and fluid. A zipper would look really stiff, although sometimes I put a zipper in the lining and then the silk chiffon is loose and over it. And again, contrasting thread for teaching purposes. The lining is georgette, not chiffon. It's a little bit heavier, and instead of gathering it, I pleated it. If your model has a tiny, tiny waist, like 20 inches, you can gather all of them together. But by pleating the lining, it allows the upper layers to act independently and float a little bit, sort of float around. As you see, this is kind of luminous because of the different colors inside. I have a tiny, tiny rolled stitched hem on all three of these. In the beginning of the lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the selvage. Selvages that are nice can be used instead of a French seam or finishing. You can just use the raw selvage. But in this case, I later decided, because the layers showed a great difference in color, I folded the ends in. Instead of having a 1-inch look, it becomes just about a 1/4 inch. And again, I'll switch these threads out so you don't see them when the model's wearing them. This is basically what we call a faux French seam. So we'll take a look at this on Michaela. We'll learn how to make it, and we'll have a variation, and we'll show you different ways to wear this, more casually as well as formally.